All right, guys, so the first method, I did it outside the car because I did multiple applications. I had multiple cars that I did this to. So the first one that you've seen in red, you can get on Amazon for $15 to $20. I'm going to go ahead and try to find a link to that Amazon store where you can go ahead and order it for cheaper by the time I drop this video. But the second one, the black one, was the JXB, which is $300, and I tested it, and I don't really see a difference from paying the $20 version to the $300 version. So you can either go with JXB or you can go with the Amazon version, but they're both the same setup, two-piece drive shaft carrier. All right, guys, if you got a Hellcat Scat Pack drive shaft, all you gotta do is cut this ring here with the razor. Once it starts to break away from this, you can cut it with one of these. Detach it from here. Add you a two-piece carrier here. Put it on like so. That way it's snug there. Then you add your two-piece right there. Let me flip it over here. The screws here, long solid piece, actually better than OEM. And this was going to be the installation of the drive shaft, putting the two-piece on prior to actually installing, after installing drive shaft into the car, which actually is a harder method, but to each his own. You can do it under the car or outside the car, it really doesn't matter. But if you do it on the car, I'm going to show you the method you can do that as well. But once the two pieces on there, you don't even have to take the exhaust off. You can actually slide it through the rear to get it off. So stay tuned in this video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, guys. Only maybe 10% of y'all are subscribed to the channel. So make sure y'all do that. Help the channel out. It's free, guys. It doesn't cost you a thing. And then we'll be able to drop more free videos for you guys. Until the next one, y'all enjoy this one. Peace. So it's on. You have to pretty much do it right by the exhaust, because if you leave the exhaust on, there's no way you're going to get in there to tighten the two-piece up and then put it on these. So you gotta go ahead and back it up and let it hang, and then put it on. Like so. Alright, I'll be back.
want Mark here to see what's going on.